I don't think that anyone needs any introduction of this Pani Puri, Golgappa, Puchka and etc. It is a popular and well-known chaat with some variations all over India. But today I am going to introduce a very different and unique style and tempting garlic water for Pani Puri. Let's start. Hey guys, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's get started. I don't know where is it originated from, but after watching this video you're gonna definitely try this recipe. So first you have to take a jar and we are going to make directly the garlic water. That's why I'm taking garlic cloves here. I have taken 4 small garlic cloves here. You can see, look at the size. Yeah, I have taken some garlics and I know you must be wondering what is so special about this Pani Puri. Well, this Pani Puri is red chatak in color with the amazing flavor of garlic. And if you are thinking that this recipe is a garlic water and you have to make it with lots of garlic, that is a wrong idea. Garlic is very pungent in flavor, so you have to take just 4. Here cut them off compulsorily, otherwise it will not turn into a paste cause of its quantity. Now you have to add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. It's regular salt to taste. Okay, first we are going to make a very tempting chutney kind of thing. This is black salt. You have to take it 1 teaspoon. Otherwise you can skip regular salt and you can take this in double amount. Now this is Kashmiri red chili powder. It's beautiful red in color and with less spiciness. This is cumin seed powder which I have prepared by roasting it and then I just have ground it. This is citric acid. You can get this ingredient by any Indian store or online too. You can use any other substitute also like dry mango powder or tamarind or lemon juice. But first 2 options will definitely change the color, and with lemon the taste will turn out a little bit bitter. Now to make a very beautiful paste we have to add some water. I am taking 2 tablespoons of water here. And here we go, just you have to make a paste, grind it as it is and you will get an amazing beautiful garlic flavored red chutney that you have to add in a bowl. Look at this. Yeah, you can see the secret tip is coming. Of course I am going to give an amazing tip regarding this Pani Puri ka pani. So first we have to dilute all the chutney and add some water around 1.5 glass. I am adding here. Mix it very well. So you can see the beautiful red color and this is the remaining half glass of water. So just mix it, and so here our red and beautiful pungent and tangy water for Pani Puri or Golgappa is ready now. It's time for an amazing tip. If you are serving this in evening, you have to make it in morning and keep it outside the fridge, and it will help to increase the taste, to increase the flavor, and you will get appreciations. This is for 2 servings. Enjoy it and do let me know how's the recipe. Do subscribe the channel if you are new here and like the recipe if you really like it. I am open for any suggestions, so please do comment me in the comment section. I will meet you very soon. Till then, tata, bye bye and take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.